So Samsung isn't hiding it anymore. We've now got our clearest real-world video of the Galaxy Z Fold 8. On top of that, all of the official marketing material for both the Z Fold 8 and the Fold 8 Ultra has leaked, revealing every major new feature. Let's get into it. What's up guys, Sal here. So South Korean boy band BTS member J-Hope shared a series of photos and videos featuring the wider Z Fold 8. They want us to believe it was accidental, but come on, it's pretty obvious this was a coordinated marketing move by Samsung. And honestly, it's a good one. First Spider-Man, now BTS, Samsung has clearly stepped up its marketing game. As for the design, it looks exactly like what we've been seeing for months. Next, we have the official marketing material for the Z Fold 8 lineup, revealing pretty much everything. But before we get into that, just a quick reminder to make a free reservation. We'll unlock benefits like a $30 Samsung credit, boosted trade-in worth up to $1,200, plus a chance to win Samsung's $500 giveaway. If you're even remotely considering buying one of these devices, it's absolutely worth making a free reservation. The link is down below. Now coming back to the official images, starting with the cameras, the only hardware upgrade on the Z Fold 8 Ultra is the ultra-wide camera, which jumps from 12 megapixels to 50. Everything else, including the selfie cameras, remain unchanged from the Fold 7. The wider Z Fold 8 takes a different approach with a dual 50 megapixel camera setup. There's no dedicated telephoto camera, but Samsung says you can still get 2x optical quality zoom from the main sensor using adaptive pixel technology, likely a fancy term for sensor cropping. The leaked material also gives us our first look at the camera UI. And yes, the camera bump on the Fold 8 Ultra is identical to the Fold 7, which is good news, but it also means the phone will still wobble on a table like crazy. Moving on to the battery, Samsung says the larger 5000 mAh battery in the Z Fold 8 Ultra delivers up to 27 hours of continuous video playback compared to 24 hours on the Fold 7. The wider Z Fold 8 on the other hand, with a 200 mAh smaller battery, is rated for 26 hours of video playback. Europe's EPREL also published its own battery testing, which reflects more typical daily usage, and according to those tests, the Fold 8 Ultra lasts up to 51 hours, while the wider Fold 8 comes in at 49. Either way, both phones show a significant improvement over the Fold 7. Samsung is clearly positioning the wider Z Fold 8 as the better device for media consumption, as shown throughout the marketing images. Multitasking should also feel much better thanks to the wider aspect ratio, and Samsung even included several images of the front display running apps like Instagram, giving us a much better idea of what everyday use will actually look like. Next, we also have the marketing material for the Z Flip 8, but honestly there's nothing new here. The design, the specs, pretty much everything looks identical to last year's model. The last rumor we heard suggested Samsung eventually wants to phase out the Flip lineup altogether, so this could potentially be the final Flip model. Moving on, a lot of people keep asking me whether the Z Fold 8 and the Fold 8 Ultra support the S Pen. We've known for a while that they don't, but today's leak confirms it once again. If the S Pen support was returning, Samsung would absolutely have highlighted it throughout these marketing materials. Instead, there's no mention of it anywhere. So yes, the entire Z Fold 8 lineup does not support the S Pen. Now for some good news, yesterday I told you Samsung might be changing its free storage upgrade strategy. The earlier report claimed that in some markets, the free storage upgrade would disappear entirely, while in others you'll only get 50% off the storage upgrade instead of getting it for free. Well, we have an update. According to another South Korean report, that earlier claim was only partially correct. Samsung reportedly plans to charge customers 50% of the upgrade cost only when moving from 512 to 1 terabyte. However, the free upgrade from 256 to 512 GB is expected to remain in place. The report says Samsung made this decision after quote-unquote careful consideration. It's entirely possible the backlash over removing one of Samsung's most popular pre-order perks played a role, even as component costs continue to rise. Now, will the US get the same offer? We don't know yet. Personally, I think it's less likely, but we'll have to wait and see. Don't forget to make your free reservation using the link below. And if you want 4 more new updates on the Z Fold 8 lineup, click the video on your screen right now, and I'll see you there.